Today, the focus shifts to a vital piece of machinery that often goes unnoticed but is absolutely essential for the performance and efficiency of diesel engines used in heavy equipment. This is a diesel fuel injection pump, specifically designed for the Caterpillar CAT C9.3 engine, commonly found in large excavators such as the E336E and E336F models. This particular fuel injection pump carries the OEM part numbers 493, 9679 and 369, 6680, making it a precise match for the specified engines without any need for modifications or adjustments. Such direct compatibility is crucial in the heavy machinery industry, where equipment downtime can lead to significant financial losses. Understanding the role of a diesel fuel injection pump is key. It controls the delivery of diesel fuel to the engine cylinders, injecting it at high pressure and precise timing to enable efficient combustion. The quality and accuracy of this fuel delivery system have a direct impact on engine performance, fuel economy, and emissions compliance. This pump is built to withstand the demanding conditions encountered in construction and mining operations. The external build quality demonstrates attention to detail with solid, rugged construction, corrosion-resistant materials, and a design that prioritizes durability and longevity. Its precision engineering ensures the fuel is delivered consistently under the required pressure, which allows the engine to maintain optimal power output and operational efficiency. This means smoother engine running, better throttle response, and improved fuel consumption. Replacing a faulty or worn-out injection pump with this direct-fit part can restore lost engine performance. Over time, internal wear can cause the pump to deliver fuel unevenly, leading to poor combustion, increased smoke emissions, and difficulties starting the engine. This replacement pump comes pre-calibrated to meet the exact specifications required by the CAT C9.3 engine, simplifying installation and ensuring reliable operation immediately after fitting. The ease of installation is a major advantage. Designed to replace the original units seamlessly, it fits exactly in place with matching mounting points, fuel lines, and electrical connectors. This reduces the risk of installation errors and downtime associated with incorrect parts or complicated fitting procedures. The durability of this pump is noteworthy. Its internal components are manufactured from high-grade alloys and treated with coatings to resist wear and corrosion, which are common causes of failure in harsh working environments. This ensures the pump remains operational for thousands of hours, even under extreme conditions such as high temperatures, dust, and vibration. For fleet operators and maintenance teams, the availability of such a reliable replacement part is invaluable. It allows for quick turnaround on repairs and reduces the risk of extended equipment downtime. This pump provides OEM-level performance at a cost-effective price point, offering a balance between affordability and quality. Additionally, the pump's packaging and shipping are handled with care to prevent damage during transit. Secure packaging protects the sensitive components, ensuring that the unit arrives ready for immediate installation. Although this type of maintenance and replacement is generally undertaken by trained technicians, having access to a high-quality, pre-calibrated pump simplifies the process. It eliminates the need for complex adjustments or tuning, allowing for faster repair cycles and minimizing operational disruption. Ensuring the diesel fuel injection pump functions correctly is critical for engine health. Faulty fuel delivery can result in poor engine performance, increased emissions, and potential engine damage. Replacing the injection pump with a new, reliable unit can therefore extend the engine's service life and improve